Most people still think TikTok shops are only for influencers or creators with big followings, but they have no idea how much money regular people are making right now. I'm talking students, stay-at-home parents, even people who've never created content before. The truth is, TikTok shops have become one of the fastest ways to earn online, and the opportunity is bigger than ever. And here's the wild part. Even big names have started noticing the shift. In the middle of all this, people like MrBeast have openly talked about how social platforms are becoming the new marketplaces, and he's not wrong, because thousands of small creators are earning steady daily income just by recommending products they already use. The rise of TikTok Shop. Over the past few years, TikTok has taken over as the world's most addictive social media platform. But recently, it introduced something that completely changed how people shop: TikTok Shop. If you've scrolled through TikTok lately, you've seen creators holding up products, testing gadgets, or unboxing items with a tiny shopping bag icon in the corner of the screen. That little icon is much more powerful than it looks. It represents a new system where TikTok blends entertainment with instant shopping, turning what used to be a simple social media feed into one of the world's fastest-growing online marketplaces. What makes TikTok Shop especially fascinating is that it's not just helping people buy things. It's helping millions of creators, influencers, and even total beginners earn real money. Some users are making a few dollars a day, while others have turned TikTok Shop into a full-time business. This script breaks down how TikTok Shop works, why it's growing so quickly, and how you can start earning money on it, even if you have 0 followers and 0 experience. What TikTok Shop actually is. TikTok Shop is TikTok's built-in e-commerce platform that allows people to buy products directly inside the app without clicking away to Amazon or any other website. That's the key. The entire shopping experience happens inside TikTok, which makes it incredibly fast and incredibly convenient. If someone sees a product they like, they can buy it with just a couple of taps, and the video continues playing behind the checkout screen. This seamless process boosts impulse buying and keeps people on the app longer, which is exactly what TikTok wants. TikTok Shop integrates product links inside videos, live streams, and creator profiles. It's basically turning every creator into a potential salesperson. But unlike YouTube or Instagram, TikTok doesn't require creators to have huge audiences to make money. The algorithm allows even small creators to go viral. So TikTok Shop benefits everyone involved. TikTok gets more engagement, creators get commissions, sellers get discovered, and viewers get cheap products delivered to their door quickly. This ecosystem is the reason TikTok Shop exploded so fast. The 3 main ways to make money on TikTok Shop. There are 3 primary ways people can earn money through TikTok Shop: becoming an affiliate, selling their own products, or doing live stream selling. Each option has different income potential and skill requirements. Affiliates earn money by promoting products from other sellers. Sellers make money by listing and selling their own products. And live stream hosts earn through real-time sales while interacting with viewers. What sets TikTok Shop apart from traditional e-commerce or affiliate programs is how easy it is to start. Affiliates don't need any inventory, business licenses, or even a large audience. Sellers don't have to run ads because creators promote their products for them. Live streamers get boosted by TikTok's algorithm because the platform wants to push live shopping. This multi-layered system makes TikTok Shop one of the most accessible income platforms ever created. How TikTok Shop affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money on TikTok Shop because you don't need inventory, you don't need to ship anything, and you don't handle customer service. You simply choose products from the TikTok Shop marketplace, create videos featuring those products, and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Commissions can range from 5% to 50%, depending on the product and seller. The real magic lies in TikTok's algorithm. Even if you have only a few followers, TikTok can push your videos to thousands or millions of people. One good video can make hundreds or thousands of sales in a single day. For example, a 20-second video showing how a mini portable blender works can go viral purely because people love satisfying visual demos. And if that product pays a $3 commission and you help sell 1,000 units, That's $3,000 earned from one simple video. Unlike YouTube or Instagram, TikTok rewards creativity, not size. That's why affiliate marketing has become the most popular income method on the platform. How sellers make money with TikTok Shop. If you have your own products, TikTok Shop becomes even more powerful. Sellers can list their products in the TikTok Shop marketplace, and affiliates can choose to promote them. Sellers don't need to be on camera, creators do the promotion for them. This is huge for small businesses and startup brands that normally struggle to get attention online. One viral video created by an affiliate can bring 10,000 plus orders in a day. Sellers have to handle inventory and shipping, but they also have full control over pricing, branding, and commission rates. Some sellers set high commissions, like 30% or even 50%, just to attract affiliates. And it works. A good affiliate army can turn a small brand into a major success overnight. This system benefits everyone involved. Sellers get free exposure, affiliates get paid, and TikTok gets more sales happening inside the app. It's one of the few systems where every side wins. The best types of content for TikTok Shop. Not all TikTok Shop videos perform equally. The highest performing content usually has a simple formula. It's fast, visual, authentic, and feels like entertainment rather than a sales pitch. Format ideas like this changed my life. ASMR unboxings, quick demos, before and after videos, personal stories, and problem-solving clips tend to do extremely well. These formats capture people's attention in the first few seconds, which is critical on TikTok. The best part is that TikTok Shop content doesn't need to be professionally filmed. In fact, the more real the video feels, the better it tends to perform. Users love watching everyday people share products they genuinely enjoy. Overproduced videos feel like ads, and ads get skipped. Meanwhile, simple, raw videos often go viral. This low barrier to content creation is another reason TikTok Shop income is so achievable for beginners. How much money people really make. TikTok Shop earnings vary depending on effort, niche, and luck, but the potential is huge. Beginners may earn anywhere from $10 to $300 a week just testing products and creating a few videos. Mid-level creators can earn $500 to $3,000 a week consistently. But viral creators can earn tens of thousands of dollars from a single video. Top affiliates reportedly make $30,000 to $100,000 per month promoting trending items. Meanwhile, successful sellers can move hundreds to thousands of units daily, depending on whether affiliates choose their products. The income possibilities are wide open because TikTok's algorithm does not limit reach based on follower count. Even someone with 20 followers can have a six-figure month if their content hits the right audience. It all comes down to creativity, consistency, and understanding viral product trends. TikTok shops aren't the future. They're happening right now. And the people who start early are the ones who win big. So if you want more guides like this, hit follow. Your next income stream might be one video away.